Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, grade 3 boys. I miss you all a lot. Our topic today is about punctuation. Let's remember together before what did we talk about punctuation? We talked about the marks, okay? The first mark is the full stop, okay? Or period. When do we use the full stop? When we have affirmative statement, it ends with a full stop. Okay? What if we have a statement which not uh, an affirmative statement or a sentence? If we have, for example, a question. A question ends with question mark, not with full stop, not with period. So if if the sentence is affirmative sentence, affirmative statement, we use full stop. It ends with full stop. If the sentence is a question, it ends with question mark. Okay? Also, when we have two sentences related together with a conjunction or something, we use a comma between the two sentences. Okay? Like Ali is happy, but his sister is not happy. We use a comma to connect between two sentences, okay, with a conjunction or something. Also, we have exclamation mark, exclamation mark, okay? We have also apostrophe and many punctuation marks, okay? The lesson of today is also about punctuation, but it's not about marks. It's about capitalization. Capitalization or using capital letters. Okay? Before we start, we have a question. We have an important question. When do we have to use capital letter at the beginning of the word? When do we need or have to use a capital letter at the beginning of a word in a sentence? Okay? Number one, at the beginning of the sentence, we must start the sentence with a capital letter. For example, we're writing a paragraph. We wrote the topic sentence and then full stop. We want to start a new sentence. We put capital letter at the first word of the new sentence. So, number one, the first case of using capital letter, we must use capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. Number one, at the beginning of the sentence. Number two, the days of the week are always capital. Memorize it like a song. The days of the week are always capital. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, until Friday. They are always capital. At the beginning, at the middle, at the end, they are always capital. At the beginning, capital. In the middle, capital. At the end, capital. The days of the week are always capital. Number three, the months of the year are always capital also. January, February, March, April. Months of the year are always capital. Okay? At the beginning, in the middle, at the end, they are always capital. They are always start with a capital letter, or they are always capitalized. Clear? Number four, the proper nouns. What are the proper nouns? The proper nouns are the names of people, places, or things. names of people, places, or things are called proper nouns. Okay? For example, we will say Ali visited Paris and saw the Eiffel Tower. Ali starts with a capital letter because it's a name of a person. Visited Paris. It's a name of a place, Paris, a name of the city. So the names of the cities, countries, continents, or any famous place must start with a capital letter. Ali visited Paris and saw the Eiffel Tower. It's something famous. Eiffel starts with E capital letter. So proper nouns are names of people, Ali, places, Paris, things, Eiffel Tower. Okay? Number one, at the beginning of the sentence. Number two, the days of the week are always capital. Number three, the months of the year are always capital. Number four, the proper nouns. What are the proper nouns? They are the names of people, places, or things. Number five, the pronoun I. When I want to talk about myself, I say I. I want to talk. I want to drink. Okay? The pronoun I, which means talking about myself, I say I, is also always capital. Always capital. Okay? I at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end, always capital. Clear? Okay, let's see our lesson today. We are talking about using capital letters. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. That means the first letter of the first word in the sentence is capitalized. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Remember, a proper noun is the names of people, particular person, places like countries, cities, oceans, seas, or things, famous things. Okay, the Eiffel Tower, the Kaaba, famous things. Okay, look at the chart. It shows examples of capital letters at the beginning of sentences and improper nouns. She built a flying machine. Look at the pronoun she. The first letter of she, the S, is capitalized. Many animals lived where she worked. Look at the first word, many. The M is capitalized. Why? Because it's at the beginning of the sentence. The first letter and the first word in the sentence must be capital. Number three, flying over oceans is dangerous. The F of the word flying, the first letter of the first word in the sentence must be capital. She went to college to study science. The S of the pronoun she must be capital. Look here, the proper nouns. Names of people like Rosie Reeve, Jane Goodell. Names of places like Atlantic Ocean. Look at the A in the word Atlantic. Look at the O in the word ocean. Capital. Paris, France. This is a name of a city. The P is capitalized of the word Paris. This is the name of a country. The F is capitalized in the word France. Something else. The title of the story. The title of the story, if the title has 2 words, 3 words, or more than that, all the title, all the words of the title, all the words, not only the first word, all the words. If the title has 3 words, make the 3 words capitalized. The first letter capitalized of the word, of all the words, of the 3 words. If the title has 4 words, make the first letter of each of the 4 words capitalized. Let's have an example. Rosie Reeve, engineer. Their stories. These are 3 words. The first letter of each word is capitalized. Look here. These are 2 words. The first letter of each word is capitalized. Okay? A title of a book or story has different rules for using capital letters. The first word, the last word, and all the other important words in a title begin with a capital letter. For example, all the words in Rosie Reeve, engineer, and their stories begin with a capital letter. However, in some titles, not all the words start with a capital letter. Look at the chart. The first column shows the examples of titles. The second column explains why each word in that title has a capital letter or does not have a capital letter. The mouse and the motorcycle. The starts with capital letter. Mouse starts with capital letter. Motorcycle starts with capital letter. We have the first the. It's capitalized because it's at the beginning of the sentence. It's not the important word, but it's at the beginning of the sentence. It must be capital. Okay? Mouse. We capitalize this word because it's what? Important word. Important word. And they are not important. Motorcycle. Why did we capitalize this word? Because it's important word. Important word. Clear? A light in the a light in the attic. A light in the attic. A is capitalized. Why? Because it's the first word of the title. Light and attic have a capital letter because they are nouns. They are also important words. Okay? The words in and the are small words. They are not the most important words in the title. Okay? Thank you very much. I hope you are well. Stay safe, stay at home, and I wish to see you soon. Thank you very much, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.